kind of beautiful. The sightseeing in this area is really nice. I'm looking around, and this is the second time I am here. I came yesterday, and I am today, and I am enjoying the morning. Yesterday we came like around 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Was a little hot, so we decided to come earlier this morning, and that's where we are. And we enjoying the day. So in the meantime, there is a few people trying to fish around the area, and other people are having a good time, are exercising. So we enjoying the day. So let's keep enjoying it. You ready? I'm ready.
This is your PAV, also known as your drone eye or the fish eye, many names. And this allows you to see which way the drone is facing north, true north. And then you have your main control right here, where it allows you to go full manual, altitude, GPS mode. And everybody recommends GPS mode because you can fly back home if you lose connection. If you don't have GPS mode, then you're gonna have a hard time flying any drone out there. Um, so far that's two pieces. There's one more controller, but that's for when you have actual eye on the camera. You can control your eye on the camera. This system allows one control and one pilot. If you keep the gimbal on true north as well, and then the actual drone that we're using today is the Infinity Hexa 6, which stands for 6 propellers. It's capable of carrying around 17 to 20 pounds. And
And how many pounds are we using today?
so far, we have around 11 pounds, 11 or 12 pounds with everything on it.
And that count the battery, the gimbal,
Yeah, and the camera.
and the camera.
Hmm.
And the camera has a lens, right?
Yeah.
So also lens make a little different. The bigger the lens, the more weight it's gonna carry, right?
That's correct.
And then if we have a bigger camera, it's gonna get more weight.
Mhm.
But we said it is capable of carrying about 17 pounds, right?
Around 17 pounds is a safe place to keep it because you want to have enough energy to fight the wind. So when you have like 22 miles per hour wind, you're still able to fly it. Anything more than that, you're gonna have a shaky video.
But also when it's a little heavier, it can probably fly better the wind because it has more weight.
You'll use energy, so your flight time will go down from, let's say you have a like on light payload, you can fly around 20 minutes. On this average payload, you're around 17 minutes. And then if you're on a windy day with the same payload that we have, you'll cut it down to like 12 minutes. So windy days really eat up your energy.
And this location where we at right now?
Right now we're around Baltimore, Southside Harbor, and you can see the famous Baltimore Tower, the actual downtown harbor to our right, and what is this park name?
Which one? What part?
The park that we're in.
Oh, the location?
Uh,
I know we are close to the club over here. That's one of the park clubs over here.
we're in Swan's Park.
What's the name of the place?
Swan?
Okay.
Swan's Park.
All right. So the morning look beautiful, excellent. People are enjoying the day. Some people are crabbing, fishing, and other people are exercising. And we are enjoying flying the drone. So I'm just ready to keep going because we have other stuff to do through the day. So
Yeah.
let's keep going and see what else we can do today. Thank you very much for watching us.